Your little brother never tells you, but he loves you so. You said your mother only smiled on her TV show. You're only happy when you're sorry.
Hey guys, so the Moto G6 family is finally here, and in this video we are going to talk about Moto G6 Plus and its feature. So let's begin here. Moto G6 Plus spotted a 5.9-inch Full HD Mac version IPS display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and इसमें यूज किया गया Corning Gorilla Glass 3 का प्रोटेक्शन. The smartphone is powered on the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 chipset and coupled with 4GB and 6GB RAM option. And it has dual rear camera setup with the 12 megapixel primary sensor and 5 megapixel secondary sensor with dual autofocus pixel technology and a 1.7 aperture. And the smartphone also has an 8 megapixel camera sensor on the front. The Moto G6 Plus has 64GB internal storage that can be expandable up to 128GB. The smartphone has Type-C charging port, NFC hardware, USB and 3.5mm headphone jack. And इस फोन में यूज किया गया 3200 mAh बैटरी and supporting turbo power charging technology which is faster way than the normal charging. सॉफ्टवेयर की बात करें तो आपको मिलेगा 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and Motorola has also improved the design by the implement the 3D glass like the Moto X4. So thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.